Good evening to all of you. In this presentation, I am going to describe that how our weekly levels given as per the one standard deviation worked this week. So we used to release this report on every Friday for the coming week. So this is the report we have released on 1st April for this week, which is from 4th April to 8th April. So this particular method is highly successful from past 28 weeks, and it has only 1 week it has failed so far. And in this method what we are doing, we are taking the price, volatility and square root of days and dividing it by square root of 365. Here number of days I am taking as 7. I am taking the Friday's last traded price here, and I am taking the real time volatility what I am estimating as for specific method. So I'm taking price and the real-time volatility estimate what I'm finding out and square root of 7, and I'm deriving the price range, and based on this price range I am using the Fibonacci ratio to identify the trend. So here I have identified the trend based on that, and once the trend is identified I'm asking to buy at the 0.236 retracement level, which is 7784 for Nifty future, and the stop loss for the same trade will be 7716. And once this uptrend breakout gives, it will give you the targets. So I am putting my first target as 0.618, second as 0.888, and third as the 1.236, and fourth as this. So I have given a very clear description how to use these levels, and once the uptrend confirmation happens, where will be your first target, and post first target what are the targets you can achieve. I am also telling you how you can identify the range bound trend. Whenever the price moves in the band of 0.618 in the either side, like here it is saying that 7839 and 7660, if it moves in this range, then you can say that it is in the range bound trend. Or sometime you can fix it at 0.382 also. If you are in a very low volatility territory, then you can say if the price oscillates between 7805 to 7695, you can say it is a range bound thing. And on crossover of each target, we are trailing the stop loss. So that method also I have explained here, and how to trade these levels. Under this section I have explained how you can make a trade on this. Once you achieve the first target, you are trailing your stop loss to 0.382. Once you achieve your second target, you are trailing your stop loss to the first target level, so 0.5 level, not first target level. So once you achieve your third target, then you are trailing it to 0.786 level, because this is a death zone, 0.618 to 0.786. So I'm narrowing down that stop loss, and then after every subsequent move in the target, I'll be taking the previous target as my trailing stop loss. This is what I have done. So how it has performed this week, it has been given to you on 1st April by email, and also by SMS we have informed all of you how it has performed, both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So that report also I have created just now. So Monday we have got a breakout in the Nifty breakout, buy trend breakout it has given on Monday, and 7785 level, and as per my method you have to buy at 7785 with a 7700 put option long. So I'm taking this breakout level and the price of that option at that particular time. So that time it was quoting at 90, and 7785 level Nifty has gone. And today at 11 a.m. Nifty future hit the stop loss 7716, and that time 7700 put option was quoting at 119.85. So you lost 70 points in future, gained 30 points in option. Net 40 point loss was there, so 3000 rupees loss has come in the Nifty future trade today at 11 a.m. as per that level. So as per this method, once you come out from this particular trade and trend changes, you have to move in opposite direction. So assuming you have booked the first trade in loss and again you short the Nifty future at 7715 level and bought 7800 call option. At that particular time it was quoting at 83.35. All these things I have taken with reference to the NSE data. So here too also you can test these things. So here I am taking for Nifty, and Nifty at 11 o'clock it has given you that breakout, though there is a spike because today RBI review was there was a spike, but however after this spike it got settled and you got a chance to enter the trade here 11 o'clock 4 minute. And that particular time if you check it, what will be the uh, price of your option. So here in option chain also you will be getting that info of the price. You just have to go to that particular level. So once you go to this level here, 7800 call option I am talking about. So you can click here, and once 7800 call option you will get it here at 11 o'clock 4 minute. So what was the underlying 85.50 it was trading. So I am telling that you have entered the future as well as the option at 11 o'clock. So once 11 o'clock you are getting this entry, it has tossed that 7621 on trailing basis, and you made 94 point profit here, 32 point loss here, and net it has resulted 4600. And one more very interesting fact I will tell about this 1SD levels. So if you look into the chart, if you look into the intraday movement what it has given as per the chart of Nifty. So here is a level you got. This is a spike. I'm just ignoring this spike. I'm taking about the price point around 12 o'clock. So that price point around 12 o'clock, so that part of if you see that price point around 12 o'clock, you will get to know that how successful this particular trend forecast is. I am talking about 12 o'clock 2 minute. You have made it 7660. This is our first target. So this is our first target as per this levels what I have given. So 7660.49. This is your first target. So this first target, once it is achieved here, this first target once it is achieved, it act as a very good support for the Nifty for a good period of time, and for a good period of time. And you can say that here from 12 o'clock to almost till some 10 minute, 10 to 15 minute, it has acted there, it has acted as a support, but stop loss has not triggered. It has gone up, but 0.5 retracement it has not, 0.38 to retracement it has not touched, and then after it has come, and here is our second target. So 38 level, so the 0.7786 retracement is sitting here too. Also you find out a great support. Here too you have fallen down to 32, that 7632 level. 7632 is just below your 0.786 retracement level. So here too also you have found out a great support, and you too have bounced back and gone to the 0.618 retracement level. So my point is, once these points or once these targets achieved, these targets act as a potential support for the Nifty in the falling trend. And the upward trend, once these targets achieved, these points act as a potential resistance for the trend. So all in all, if I analyze this today's trade based on this particular method, you will see that Nifty first trade was failure, 3000 loss. Second trade on reversal you got 4600 profit. So net if you factor that loss, 1600 profit you got. Bank Nifty, yesterday there was no breakout. Today it has given a breakout, 16,064. Our sell entry level at 11 o'clock, 11.4. there is a spike from 10:59 to 11:04, and there is a call option to buy to hedge this. You can think of selling a option also, and by this process, if I can analyze, it has given 5,130 rupees profit in the Bank Nifty. But still the positions are open. If you want to keep the positions are open for a higher target for 7570 or 7516 till Friday, you can still think of keeping it open. And Bank Nifty, it has 0.888 retracement, has successfully penetrated. Next two levels we are looking for 15,662 and 15,482. So this is the level. And here I am also giving you a clue that what option you should utilize to hedge this particular position, whether it is a 16,000 call option or 15,500 put option. And here in Bank Nifty, I am not using 0.236, I am using 0.382 retracement as an entry because it is base value is very big, it is 16,000, henceforth it is giving a triggering action at 0.236. So for that, I am just changing it to 0.382. So that your entry trades will never trigger the stop loss. So for that only we are making it. So in this first week of or April, if you analyze this trade, it has with proper hedging, and that too with hedging with a call option buy with future short or put option buy with a future long, it has resulted a very good profit. Bank Nifty has given 5,130 rupees profit in one lot of trade, and Nifty, after factoring the first failure, also it has given you 1,600 rupees profit in this. So this is the most simplest method of trading as per the 1SD, one standard deviation principle, and it is a very simple technique and very powerful technique, and so far its performance from the past 30 weeks, it is including this week, it is 30th week, and 29 weeks it has given the success. So if you consider this week also a success, so 29 weeks it has given the success. So to make this particular method more clear to the traders and to make you understand how you can utilize this method for your option hedge for different trade requirements, we are organizing a good event starting from 7th April to 29th April. So it is almost 1 month event is scheduled. So 7th April we are starting first week, second week from 11th to 15th, third 18th to 22nd, and fourth is 25th to 29th. So this event is being scheduled in two different ways. One is you will be learning the theoretical concept, other you will be learning about the practical aspect of these methods in live market. Live market, I am going to demonstrate you this method in intraday, in options how you can initiate. So intraday results though we can able to realize in the day, however the options pair trade recommendations what will be given, so that you can realize in a stipulated time what we are going to fix during this. So topics of those events are listed here. What are the things you are going to learn on this 1 month program, and it is a absolutely free program. You need not have to pay anything for this program. Just you have to register here. Once you register, in your email you will get the detail about the programs, detail about the event, and once on that particular time you have to join the program through the link which will come to you automatically through the email. And once you join, you can watch the live session, you can ask your queries, and you can able to interact with me and to clarify all your doubts pertaining to this particular method. And this event is not purely on 1SD. You will be learning on Gine angle principle, you will learn pair trade, various principles you are going to learn, including delta neutral strategy and other things. So do not miss this opportunity. Join this program. It is a free program starting from 7th April, time 5:30. So it is a half an hour time you need to devote for this program to understand various concepts.